In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Grok AI's image to video generator. Whether you are creating content for social media, marketing, or just experimenting with AI, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And of course, once you are on the dashboard, I want you to hover to the left side panel and then click the Imagine. Now, in the Imagine, as you may notice, this is a feature that lets you animate a still image into a short video using AI. Okay, from here you can add motion, depth, and cinematic effects, all without video editing skills. It's perfect for social media posts, ads and promos, AI art animations, and of course, like short form content. Now, here all I have to do first is go to the image if you want. And of course, you can choose the video duration. Is it going to be like 6 seconds, 10 seconds? Aspect ratio you can choose from a 2:3, 3:2, a square 1:1, 9:16, which is perfect for a mobile device, and a 16:19. Alright, so you can generate a video if you want. But of course, we are going to use image. Now, I'm gonna click on it. And then my photos and images will be uploaded and auto-generated here as a video. It may take a little while because it depends on the complexity and the quality of your photos that you have uploaded, right? So at this point, you don't wanna use a VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the loading times. And as you may notice, it's amazing, right? It can generate image to video without any editing skills at all. Once you are happy, if you want, you need to use high resolution images. Make sure the subject is clear. Avoid blurry or low quality photos. Now from here, you have multiple options on the top corner. And the 3 dots if you want to unsave, delete video, thumbs up, thumbs down, or upscale video, it's up to you. Now, all I have to do is click the make video and it will process the created AI video from your images. Alright, and basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next one.